The fucking cool. That's up, that's pretty.
Oh. Sun's going down, having a barbecue. And then we started realising that if you drilled a straight line underneath our shed the whole way down and out the other side.
Think about it, think about it. There's people maybe not, but there's someone on the other. The earth is 8 kilometers thick.
True Japanese rough and readiness. Ah, great. Shall I tighten her up to where she needs to be? Yeah, just do both of them.
Do it right now.
Will it fit past the physio? Smash. Yeah. The rocket. We are going to fix the flexi on the manifold, and that's it really. Fit decal.
Fine grit sandpaper or a bit of scotch.
Decat.
Lad cat.
So yeah, you want to replace this? This is fucked. Goodbye. What you want for food?
What do we get?
I don't know what you want.
McDonald's or something?
Yeah, actually, treats for a
Scrap
gorgeous, shitty McDonald's job. Yeah. So Dan mangled this because it had a front mount, so it like was mushed for space. So this needs to be straightened out, and I'm going to try and drill off this front bracket where the Trueno grill goes because I don't want to have a grill on my car. Almost good as new. It's great that we get so much progress done, and I forgot the fucking camera. Engine went in, gearbox went in, Josh is making the manifold, we put the prop in, we're doing this, bits of wiring, everything, and it's all on my phone because I forgot to charge it. Just whatever that is. That in case we ever want to put on the badge. Josh just fucking gets.
Oh yeah. He gets aggressive.
Stuck in. Is that how? That's how we do it. This is how we do.
This is how we did it.
You can look at the phone.
Sparky.
It's just the mods as well and lovely.
Is it? You happy?
They're fucking shit.
Oh yeah. A flemmed head.
I'll call you wife, I won't, mate. RSR.
Really strong, Rachel.
We fucked up. There's paint here. You can see it, and it's going to be very visible. So
Yeah, but otherwise it would have been rusty metal.
Shit, that means I'll have to finish it then. There's a dilemma. We didn't go all the way across with it. I saw it last night. Look. Last night I was like, yes, that's really visible. Yeah, all the way down, it's actually like bled over a little bit.
Try not to get it onto the fucking...
Yeah.
Onto the belt.
How you feeling, Josh?
Dirt is just a vein in my life.
Dirt?
Dirt. Dirt.
Dirt.
Dirt.
the thing about putting old stuff off the car onto the car now. It makes it look shit. Everything needs to be replaced with brand new shiny stuff.
Yes.
What a fucking shame.
You're weak, Flip, every time I see you.
Weak what?
Josh has that like.
Is this the new test
Molested.
pipe? It's the new test pipe.
I didn't really try
What do you mean?
That's the new test pipe.
The NCT pipe. As he just fucking straight in the oil. You forget you like cars until you have everything out and you go, fuck! It's nice when you put a bunch of stuff together. The beauty of many adjustment pieces is it's all
Everything
over
goes
the
out of whack.
fucking place. Yeah, so I'm going to try and make it somewhat centered because when it was coming over here, it was crabbing in on itself. It's much harder to film anything with a phone, really. Hopefully that will land your old one. It'll just
626.
So the guys are measuring the middle, and then yeah, that's it.
616.
That is different.
I like drilling holes and fresh stuff.
Yeah.
I just love holes.
Yeah. Cusco. It's not even in.
Yeah, that's where I said.
Genuine. No. Look at that. You know the sump is shit. Yeah, can we paint the sump?
How funny is the foot?
Yes, 100%. 100%. Making.
Do you want one of them? Yes. Well. He didn't take his one apart, so he's... Yeah, it's just a nice, complete car. Run into the ditch. Jesus! Skated! Oh yeah! Manual handling rings, lad. Something doesn't sound. Fucking go. That's not that time. Alright, it's the last one. Oh yeah. Jesus, new car. Just sitting around, sun's going down, having a barbecue. And then we started realising that if you drilled a straight line underneath our shed, the whole way down and out the other side.
Think about it. There's people maybe not, but there's someone on the other. The earth is 8 kilometers thick. No, but it is. If you go straight through it.
Just 8k.
So the people who are opposite the shed live in Papatawi, Otago, New Zealand.
Yeah.
Are right, like they're standing this
So
way.
if anyone from that place in New Zealand,
is standing this
they're
way,
upside down the way.
8 kilometers
Under
away.
our shed.
8 kilometers away from here.
Just 8k.
Papatawi, Otago, New Zealand.
Okay. I wonder if anyone actually
They're just
even.
outside the 5k exclusion.
So, right, you're right under our shed. So, yeah, you'd actually be just outside. You had a 5k exclusion.
And there's a bus going to Otago
Yeah.
tomorrow. 8 fucking kilometers. How far? It's like.
It's mad that someone is, yes. Someone is in New Zealand right underneath us here now. Someday someone might come up through the shed from New Zealand.
I hope so.
Yeah, so do I.
If you're watching, start fucking drilling up.
It's only
We're
8k.
down. We're reaching the middle.
That's mad. They're up. There's someone down there.
You put your
And they're
ears to the ground.
standing.
You might hear them.
No, they're 8 kilometers away.
Hello, New Zealand. New Zealand is directly underneath our shed.
Yeah, so this is the name of the place. And Papatawi, Otago, Nuzaula.
It's directly under our shed.